Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the new MiniStar batteries from CNHL. I've used their other batteries before and I was very happy with the performance and also the price. They also ship all over the world, also to Israel, which now these days is a little problematic due to all the LIPO restrictions, and they ship to Israel and help me keep all my quadcopters in the air. The battery that I was using the most is the 650 mAh LiPo battery, which as far as I know is identical to this battery over here. So all they did is just to change the packaging. The other batteries that I've got are the 850 mAh LiPo battery, which is rated to be 70C, and also this 450 mAh LiPo battery, also rated 70C. And the last one is this interesting looking battery with a capacity of 1600 mAh and rated to be 120C. The weight of this battery is 210 grams and its dimensions are 33.6 by 48.6 by 63.6 millimeters. This battery weighs 110.5 grams. Its dimensions are 30.1 by 31.8 by 62.3 millimeters. The 650 mAh LiPo battery weighs 88.3 grams and its dimensions are 31.2 by 27.6 by 59.5 millimeters. And finally, the smallest battery, which is 450 mAh LiPo battery, weighs 60.8 grams and its dimensions are 28.1 by 17.2 by 66.7 millimeters. The 850 mAh LiPo battery is very similar in size and also in capacity and specs to this tattoo battery, and this tattoo battery weighs 103.8 grams, so it's a little bit lighter than this battery that weighs, as you've seen before, 110.6 grams. So of course this full-size battery is intended to be used with 5-inch frames such as this one, which I'm going to review in the next few days, and also I'm going to post a flight video using this battery. The mini batteries are intended to be used with 3-inch frames such as my Rhino 3 for example, and the smallest battery is intended to be used with 2 and 2.5 inches frames such as my Baby Hawk R, and I'm also going to post a flight video using this battery pretty soon as well. So what I'm going to do next is to discharge these batteries to 3 volts per cell using this very advanced discharger. It's my vacuum cleaner, which I've converted to be powered up by LiPo batteries. So I'm going to clean my house so my wife will be happy, and also going to discharge them at the same time. Then I'm going to fully charge the battery and find out what is their capacity. So now both batteries are full. The 1600 mAh LiPo battery was charged with 1.63 ampere hour, and the 850 mAh LiPo battery was charged with 868 milliampere hour. And now these two batteries are fully charged. The 450 mAh LiPo battery was charged with 496 milliampere hour, and the 650 was charged with 714 milliampere hour. So as you could see, all the batteries matched and even surpassed their stated capacity, and soon I'm going to use all these batteries in my flight videos, and then you can see their performance, and I'm also going to try to compare these batteries with other batteries on my test flights. As always, I thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and you find it useful. If you have any questions about these batteries, feel free to ask it in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.